Hello again, it's Aisen.
In Cune, today we in our parties
Have news to share about the
Children of Asia Games.
The main children's sports event of the year has already kicked off in Yakutsk. Sambo wrestlers were the first to start the competitive program of the games. Athletes from Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Azerbaijan, Tajikistan, and various teams from Russia have come together on the mat to compete for a place in finals. The preliminary bouts in Sambo have already concluded on the first day of competition. Now, the most crucial stage for the athletes at the Children of Asia Games has arrived at the finals. Very soon, the names of the medalists and winners of the 8 children's sports games will be announced.
Table tennis ranks as the most popular sport in the world by participation, boasting nearly 1 billion enthusiasts. At the Children of Asia Games, table tennis players are among the first to kick off the competitive process, starting with mixed double events. In the following days, athletes will compete in singles and team tournaments. The sound of balls, joyful exclamations, frustrations from losers and cheers from fans fill the air. A fierce battle unfolded between teams from the Far Eastern Federal District and Kazakhstan. In the end, the Far Eastern team clinched victory with a score of 3-2. Chinese athletes typically dominated table tennis, but this year their team will only feature 2 girls. The competition has just begun with the strong contenders from Russia, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Belarus and Syria vying for the top spots.
One of the most spectacular and emotional sports, 3x3 basketball, was included in the 2022 Children of Asia Games. This year, the event is taking place at Komsomolskaya Square, featuring over 60 athletes. Unlike traditional basketball, 3x3 basketball involves 3 players per team and is played on half court with a single hoop. Each team must prevent the opponent from gaining possession of the ball while scoring as many points as possible. The men's division includes 9 teams, while the women's division has 7. The competition will span 5 days, with each team playing 2 games per day in round-robin format.
The history of football at the Children of Asia Games began in 2004 during the 3rd iteration of the event and has since become a significant sporting discipline. It later evolved into mini-football and was renamed futsal last winter. This year, 7 teams are competing in this discipline, including the national team of Kyrgyzstan. The teams have prepared thoroughly for the competition, even hosting a championship in their capital, which featured participants from Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. Each futsal team comprises 5 players, 4 outfield players and a goalkeeper. Notably, the futsal ball is smaller and lighter than a regular football and less bouncy. Due to a smaller playing field, players need precise control, making powerful rebounds unnecessary in futsal.
Alongside the futsal matches, in the chess battles have also commenced. The tournament is being conducted in accordance with the rules of the International Chess Federation. In the 8 Children of Asia Games, representatives from 7 countries will compete in the chess tournament, 17 girls and 20 boys. The system is designed so that after the first round, a losing player does not exit the tournament but moves to the next round to face an opponent with the same number of points. Players are selected in the manner until a winner is determined. Each game is allocated 1.5 hours plus 30 seconds for each move made. On average, a game lasts about 4 or 5 hours. A total of 2 sets of medals will be awarded in the chess competition.
And we are done for today.
See you next time.